Alright, what's up guys? So, by now, you've probably seen all the videos on the VG30.
Yeah, look at it wrapped up in its dirty old bag.
She's coming along nicely,
Yeah.
but we decided to kind of take a break from that this weekend and take care of a couple things on the Z31.
Look how ugly it is. Well, I mean, she's beautiful, but
She needs a bath.
she needs a bath, and she needs a bath up in here. Throughout the pandemic last year, back when we weren't doing a lot of engine work, I actually spent some time cleaning the engine bay, but I never really got much further than maybe the sway bar right there. So we're going to get all of the rest of the areas. We're busting out the pressure washer and everything. And of course giving the rest of the car a bath, because it's covered in
Crap.
2 years of dust at this point, so...
Yeah, and since we're doing it, we're gonna go ahead and do my truck. We're gonna do your truck too. I mean, we might as well do my truck, do his truck.
Yeah, we'll see.
Maybe Jesse's truck and
Maybe,
Mark's Fiesta. So we're gonna have a good time washing some cars. This did not go as planned. All right.
So we're going to start off a first layer of cleaning with actually some heavy duty wheel cleaner. We watched the video. Whose video was it?
Jimmy Oaks. I used a wheel cleaner, so we're gonna take his advice.
Yeah, so he cleaned up his R33's engine bay, and it came out pretty good. He was using a different product, but I saw this, and it was.
This is what they had at Walmart.
Yeah, it was foaming, and I could shoot it from a distance to help get in some of these lots of crevices. As you can see, my entire wiring harness is here, so we're just gonna kind of spray it all over the place, and then get the pressure washer going. It does say to scrub, but we're just gonna try spraying it and then hitting it with the pressure washer to see how much that takes off.
Yeah, that'd be good.
And if we still need to do more after that, we can do a layer of gunk, because I have a spray bottle of gunk that we can run all over and then spray that off too. So may take a couple sessions, but yeah, hoping this first one will be pretty effective.
All right, so this is the only attachment we have for the pressure washer. So the foam cannon, it's gonna be more like a foam bazooka, but should work fine. Jesse's truck, clean. The Z, outside's clean. Came out really nice. Now I'm about to do my truck real quick, and then we will readdress.
Real quick.
Yeah, I know, right?
The Z is undoubtedly the fastest car we'll do.
It won't be that bad. We got the foam cannon, bro. I actually gotta go refill it. But yeah, we'll readdress the engine bay here in a minute. So yeah, I'm gonna clean my truck. Yeah, I need to move the truck. Look how dirty she is, just from a little bit of driving in the rain. Pretty ridiculous, honestly. So, she definitely needs a bath.
All right, Justin, what's easier, washing the vehicles or working on them?
Working on them. I hate washing cars, especially that thing.
I know. Oh shit.
It came out pretty good though.
Yeah, she looking good. She looking good.
Well, it's a good Saturday. We got some sparkly vehicles. Ooh, Fortunately, we're losing a little bit of sunlight there, but there's Jesse's truck over there, and Justin's is in the shade, but it's sparkling real nice. I'm sure you guys will see it in the clips. So, engine bay came out pretty darn good. I'm sure with a lot of elbow grease, you could probably get a lot more life out of it, but at the same time, I'm just kind of ready to get this car on the road. So I'm just happy it looks a little bit cleaner. There are things that will eventually need to be fixed regardless, like if there's definitely some rust down there in the engine bay, of course it could use a repaint. So at this point, I'm just ready to get the car running. So we're gonna focus on getting the engine done and back in it. Last piece I'm kind of working on here, the oil pan. This is my second round of degreaser on it. I've also done the outside here. So I'm gonna give this one more spray with the pressure washer, and I think we're gonna call it a day. So yeah, it was a nice productive Saturday. Nice change of pace for us because we've been working on engines pretty much nonstop here recently. So it's nice to do some aesthetic stuff and get outside and enjoy the beautiful April weather while it's still only sort of kind of hot.
Yo,
So
hey, yo, and you know it's snowing
really
and it's still snowing in New York.
still snowing in New York City.
Really?
It's a high 89, bright and sunny here in Florida, and it feels hotter than that. So yeah, I don't know if Justin got more drenched from using the hose without putting the attachment on it, or from the sweat.
No, it was definitely putting the.
I don't know. He was a sweaty boy today, but yeah, we all learned some lessons. So, all right, we'll get this one wrapped up. Anything else, guys? All right, y'all. We got clean cars. Yes, like, comment, subscribe if you enjoy shirtless people, you know, washing cars, and Justin's cool shirt. So, we'll catch you in the next one.